Battle, battle.
Pascal is a shy late bloomer. He had no dates as a teenager. He had his first kiss with 16 when he tried to revive his dad from heart attack. His father's last words were, "Too much talk!"
Martin actually lost a ton of weight during the lockdown. He lost a lot of weight. I've never seen anyone lose 50 kilos and still look incredibly fat.
You look very sporty, Mr. Jim Jong-un.
I love how I criticize your weight, and that's like too mean. But then you, like, my dad dying is not so mean.